I think researchers have a pretty hard time getting access to the specimens they need to support their research. They might have difficulty finding them in the numbers that they need to support the statistics, or they might have a hard time finding them in the quality that they need to support their very technical methodologies. The Ontario Tumour Bank helps to satisfy that by anticipating what kind of research or what kind of sample needs a researcher might need. So we collect over a very long period of time to accrue specimens so that they're ready immediately for research. They're ready today. So today, OTB has samples from over 21,000 patients who have consented to participate in the program. That has amassed about 185,000 biospecimens or aliquots that we can share with researchers. And those are collected to our standard practice, controlling for ischemia time, prepping them into different types like frozen, paraffin embedded, and collecting the blood fractions along with the data that might be necessary for going along with those tissues. That doesn't satisfy the need of all researchers. A lot of researchers call us and they have some really unique requirements. They need whole blood, or they need blood drawn into Streck tubes to preserve the circulating DNA, or they need fresh biospecimens that maintain viability. OTB is looking for ways to use its existing mechanism to determine if we can meet the needs of those unique projects on a bespoke basis. We've tried to make it very easy for researchers to get samples out of the Ontario Tumour Bank. We've created a fairly streamlined process. We actually have a person who's on the other end of the phone or other end of the email who can take a researcher through our inventory to find the samples that are exactly right for their study. And of course, there's a material transfer agreement, and of course, there's ethics that need to be satisfied, but we've made it a very handheld process so that we can get samples out the door to researchers in as early as 30 days, usually around 2 months. That's a lot better than waiting 2 to 5 years to collect your specimens.